ACDelco AAA alkaline batteries. This is a 60-pack of the ACDelco AAA batteries. These are the alkaline batteries. It says here lasts 3 times longer than something. Shows tablet, game, pad, mouse, camera. So I guess it's good for all those things. It says that they will store for 10 years. Maximum power, super alkaline, that's what it says. I got these because ACDelco has a good reputation. They had a lot of stars, they had a lot of recommendations, they had a lot of remarks, and they were also pretty reasonable to get. So if you can get something and it is a good value as well as a good product, well, I say get it. Inside the main pack, you'll see 6 of these 10 packs. For now, I need to fill up my blood pressure monitor, but I've got remote controls. I've got all kinds of stuff that uses the AAA size. That's what they look like installed, a place for everything and everything in its place. Yeah, I don't have this thing on my arm. I just wanted you to hear it working. So that's what I got. I got the ACDelco batteries. That's what I use them for. I'm glad I got the batteries. I'm glad I was able to make this video for you. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, that helps me a lot, and leave a comment. And above all, I want you to have a good day, good week, good year. I want you to have a good life.